E aduna yo potindal kunan jokbo.
The first thing I'm doing is just to moisturize my beautiful thick natural hair, and I'm using the Shea Moisturized leave-in conditioner, and this particular line is called the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Now I'm just making an ear-to-ear part, and if you're not too good at parting your hair, don't worry too much about it. You just want to ensure that the part is as straight as possible. Now it's time to style the front section of my hair. However, to do this, I am just sectioning my hair into 3 smaller sections. So it's going to be one section to the left, another section to the right, and then another smaller section in the middle. As I'm separating my hair, I am using these clips to put my hair one side. Now these clips, they can be purchased on Shein. I mean, these I bought them at the Dollar Tree, and the ones on Shein, they are not the specific ones in the video. However, I'll be leaving a link to the one that you can find on Shein in my description. Also, I'm just moisturizing my scalp with the Softee hair conditioner. Now you can purchase this on Amazon, and of course, I'll be leaving a link of this in my description. Now it is time to style the left side of my hair, and as you can see, I'm just moisturizing it, and I'm just taking my comb and I'm just going through it, because the thing is that, guys, if you're going to do this style, you need to ensure that your hair is properly detangled. And now that the left side of my hair is properly moisturized and detangled, I'm just parting it into 2 smaller sections. Now that this is done, what's going to happen is that these 2 small sections, they are going to turn into 4 more smaller sections, with of course 2 being at the back and likewise 2 being at the front. Now this is necessary to carry out this rubber band crisscross method, and also before I go ahead and put the rubber band around each smaller sections, I am just applying some hair wax. Now guys, this hair wax, I bought it at my beauty supply store. However, you can purchase it on Amazon, and I'll be leaving a link in my description to this brand. I took some wax and I'm just using it to just smooth down the end of my hair. And of course, I'll be doing this for each section. Here's where you pay attention to how I go about making the crisscross. But essentially, what I do is that I take the ones that are at the front and I join them oppositely to the ones at the back. But as this video plays out, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Now that I did the left side of my hair, I'll just be using that as a guide to part the middle section and likewise the right section of my hair. The front section of my hair is completed, as you can see, and what I'll be doing now is just to put my hair up in one. However, to do this, I'm just ensuring that my hair is properly moisturized and detangled. I'll also be applying some Eco Gel as my base, and of course this Eco Gel, you can purchase this on Amazon. I'll also be going in with my Ebin Edge Control. This can also be purchased on Amazon. Now guys, as the video plays out, just keep watching so you can see all that I do. Okay, so I put my hair up in one, and to get a wow effect, guys, I'm just ensuring that I tie down my hair with a scarf. Guys, I love this scarf. It is so huge. I purchased it from Shein. And of course, you know me, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Like, you don't have to ask. Yay! In the meantime, I am just, sorting out this human hair ponytail that I purchased from Amazon. And to do this, I just sprayed some water on it. And then I'm going to go in with my Eco Gel, and I'm also going to add some mousse, and I'm just going to shake it out just to make the curls pop. I'm just placing the ponytail on my hair, and look at those curls, guys. Look at those curls, all right? You're gonna see exactly what it looks like without being wrapped around. Now it's time to wrap around this ponytail. However, before I do so, I'm just taking some hairpins and I'm just placing them at the bottom of the hair. I'm just somewhat securing the hair, if that makes sense. Now I'm just using this human hair ponytail to make this high top messy bun-like. However, to do so, as you can see, I am wrapping it around in one direction and then I'm going to spin it out in the other direction. Alright, so as the video plays out, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. I'm just doing a little something to my edges, and this of course is the finished look. Now if you have found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay safe, stay blessed, and catch you in my next one. Bye.